Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Sherdil e-learning, the Pakistan first multi-cloud e-learning portal. In this video, I will guide you why you should get this course and what the benefit and what's the topic we'll cover in this course. This is the trailer video, and using this video you will decide that this course is beneficial for you and how you can use this course and use the course skills in your day to day life. So let's get started. The first one is the course introduction based on the Google Cloud Professional Architect. We will cover and discuss about the modules, regions and zones, introductions, and modules, right? And the regions, zones, and all these things, right? These are the theoretical part which we will cover in detail in this course. So this is the course introduction. After that, we will move about the VPC called the virtual private cloud is a multi-region virtual private cloud where we have different subnets, route tables, and all the things. Advanced VPC concept, identity aware VPC proxy, virtual network labs, identity aware proxy labs, and the virtual private cloud different features like public IP, private IP, firewalls, and all the things. Now let's talk about the load balancer. Load balancer is actually the global load balancer, which will not be available either on Alibaba Cloud, Google AWS Cloud, or Azure Cloud. This facility and this feature is only available on Google Cloud. So the good thing is that you can use either as a regional load balancer or a global load balancer with free auto scaling option. You don't need to pay any additional amount. So in this course, we already covered the detailed theoretical part, lab part, and how you will connect the manage instance group, connect with the load balancer, like create a template, create a machine using the manage instance group, and add those manage instance group in the load balancer as a backend instance. Because load balancer is a precise of the front end and a back end. Now let's talk about the advanced security. In the advanced security, we have the cloud armor, like cloud armor theory, cloud armor lab, in how you can protect the DDoS protection. Now, if you talk about the Google deployment, cloud deployment manager, in the cloud deployment manager, this is actually how the Terraform works, how the Azure ARM work, Azure Resource Manager, how the cloud formation work in the AWS, and how the ROS work, resource orchestration layer, right? Now, deployment manager is actually based on the Django deployment, right? Where you can use the marketplace using the cloud DNS in order to deploy anything you want in the Google Cloud using the command line or using the infrastructure as code. In the Google Cloud operation, this is actually the old name is Google Stack Driver, but now is Google Stack Cloud Operations. In the cloud operations, we have the labs, cloud operation stack driver available options, and how you can check the events, traces, and all the things. Now let's move forward about the Google Cloud databases. We have three type of databases in the Google Cloud. Number one, we have PostgreSQL, we have MySQL, and we have the MS SQL. So in this lab, in this topic, we will cover about the MySQL part. If we talk about the Google Kubernetes Engine, GKE, in the GKE, we have the GKE Labs, Google Kubernetes Engine, like how you will create a cluster, nodes, pods, replica set, and HPA, horizontal pod scalars, application manifest, service manifest, and all the details, right? But definitely, in the GKE, we normally focus on the GKE cluster, not more than that, because it's the out of scope part. But what you can do it by yourself for the application and the service manifest. If you talk about the Google Cloud Run, we normally use Google Cloud Run is actually the serverless Docker, where we normally use the same application Docker image which we normally use in the app engine and the Kubernetes engine. So you can connect the GCR Google Container Registry in the Google Cloud Run. If we talk about the BigQuery, in the BigQuery we have the data analytics options, and we have the data studio where you can check all your analytics in the graph format. If we move forward in the AI or the big solutions, we have the Google Cloud AI or ML services. And in the ML services, we have the data solutions and the AI ML, but is all about the theoretical part. Now we have the App Engine. App Engine is one of my favorite topic, you can say. In the App Engine, we have the Google App Engine services where start from push your complete application using the app.yml file using the Visual Studio Code. You can deploy all the things. You can push in the Google Container Registry using the Google Cloud Shell or Cloud SDK, which option you want. And then moving forward, after that, deployment and implementations on the Google App Engine. The same app or the same application, I can say, you can use in the Google Kubernetes engine and the Google Cloud Run as well. So we normally already discuss in detail in the App Engine part. Right. Now, as you can see, this is not the App Engine. This is a compute engine as well, where we normally use the Windows or Linux machines, how you can set up the Windows firewalls for SSH, and how you can connect that and configure and open the Linux machine using the Google Cloud Console. And last but not the least, we have the case studies. We have the Mountrek games, we have the EHR healthcare, helicopter racing league, and the Tram Earth. Right. I hope you will enjoy the sessions, and at the end of this course, you will be able to attempt the exam. Right. This is total 63 lessons and the 7 hours of video content. Hope you enjoy the sessions. Don't forget to give me the review, whatever the positive or negative, so that we could improve our content. Thank you and hope for the best.